Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurkintan Aprilia. I'm from Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas Negeri Semarang. Ladies and gentlemen, I respect. I will present my article entitled Dissemination of Test Instrument as Product of the Development Research to Measure the Problem-Solving Ability of Class 10 Students by Online in the Pandemic Period, with author Endang Susilaningsih, Murbangun Nuswawati, Nurkintan Aprilia, and Ainun Lutfia. Indonesia is preparing to face the challenge of the 21st century. Therefore, students are required to have problem-solving skill. Problem-solving skill can be measured through assessment of problem solving. In times of pandemic, online problem-solving skill assessment are needed. In this study, the development test instrument will be analyzed using item response theory with RAS model. In this research is a descriptive quantitative study with the aim of distributing test instrument product development research to measure the problem-solving abilities of class 10 students and to get a describe of the quality of the test through the characteristic of the RAS model test. Subjects in this research are 75 students of class 10. Data analysis using the item response theory with RAS model to estimate separation item reliability, item fit order, rank map, item measure, percent fit order, percent measure, and detection of bias item or item diff, as well as questionnaire analysis of student response to the test instrument. Percent reliability value is 0.72 and 0.75 with sufficient category, and the item reliability value is 0.95 is a very good category. As for the Cronbach alpha value obtained with 0.73, this is a good criteria. The rank map describes the distribution of student or respondent ability and the distribution of the difficulty level of the question on the same scale. The students with the highest ability are student number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The student with the lowest ability were student number 75. The student is outside the boundary of the two standard deviation indicating difference high intelligence or outlier. It can be concluded that the consistency of the answer from the student was sufficient, but the quality of the item in the reliability aspect of the instrument was excellent. Item fit order. The result of item fit order item analysis show that the question number 8 a tendency to not fit or outlier. For item measure, question number 6 and question number 17 indicating that question is include is very difficulty category. Percent measure analysis will provide information about individual ability, namely to identify the level of student ability to answer question. And percent fit order can be seen that student number 19 have an unfit response pattern because they don't meet the 3 criteria. and detection of bias item or diff item. The results show that all the items used are unbiased because the probability value is not below 0.05. Troubleshooting profile or profile of problem solving that 97% in the sufficient category and 3% in poor category. Student classical completeness was 19%, that is 14 out of 75 student complete, and the results of the student response questionnaire recapitulation were as many as 95% of students gave positive response to the development test instrument. And this is the conclusion of this research. Number 1, cron-based alpha value obtained is 0.73 with good criteria, and the items that are not fit or outlier based on the result of the fit order item analysis are question number 8, and the analysis of measure item, it can be seen that the highest difficulty level of the item is question number 6 and question number 17. Respondent number 1 had a highest logit value, and students who had an unfit response pattern were 19 students. Student number 19, sorry. No item were detected by diff, and the results show that the profile of student problem-solving abilities with sufficient criteria was 97%, and in poor criteria was 3%. Student classical completeness was 19%. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.